What's cooking, foodies? Today we're making a no-bake festive Twinkie cake, perfect for summer and 4th of July barbecues. Let's get started. You will need 1 box of Twinkies for an 11 by 8 baking dish, 1 16-ounce package of strawberries, 2 cups of cold milk, 1 package of instant vanilla pudding, 1 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip. Make sure to let your Cool Whip defrost 4 hours in the fridge before using, 1 package of blueberries, 1 apple, and a small star cookie cutter. To make your instant vanilla pudding, empty pudding packet into a bowl and pour in your cold milk a little at a time as you whisk together. You'll then place this in the fridge. Slice about 5 strawberries. Dice the rest of your strawberries. Slice your apples. With the cookie cutter, punch out your apple stars. Dip your apple stars in lemon or orange juice so that they will not turn brown. All ingredients are prepped and we are ready to assemble our Twinkie cake. This cake is so easy that you can even get your kids involved in putting it together. Once you've assembled this cake, you're going to want to put it in the fridge for at least an hour. That way your vanilla pudding and your Cool Whip can set. And there you have it. If you like this video, feel free to drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.